What is peripheral artery disease and how it affects circulation? Peripheral artery disease is a circulation problem that occurs when arteries outside the heart and brain become narrowed or blocked, reducing blood flow to the arm and leg. It is most commonly affect the leg. The most common cause in arteriosclerosis, a condition in which a fatty deposit, cholesterol, and other substance build up inside artery walls. This buildup, known as plaque, gradually narrow the space available for the blood to flow. When a person walk or exercise, the muscle need more oxygen-rich blood. Healthy arteries can increase blood flow to meet this demand, but narrowed arteries may not be able to deliver enough oxygen. As a result, people with PAD may experience pain or cramping in the leg while walking, which often improve after resting. The symptoms is known as claudication. Other possible symptoms include leg weakness or tiredness, numbness or tingling, coldness in the lower leg or foot, changes in skin color, slower growth of toenails or leg hair, or sores on the feet or leg that heal slowly. Some people, however, may have a few or no noticeable symptoms, especially during the early stage. Several factors can increase the risk of PAD. Smoking is an important risk factor because it damages blood vessels and can worsen circulation. Diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, physical inactivity, increasing age, heart disease, and family history of cardiovascular disease can also increase risk. PAD is more than a problem affecting the leg. It can be a sign that plaque is developing throughout the body's blood vessels. People with PAD have an increased risk of cardiovascular problems such as heart attack and stroke. Recognizing systems and managing risk factor can help protect circulations and overall cardiovascular health.